In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a deposit in Ownerrez. To get started, open Ownerrez and make sure you're in the main dashboard area. This process is used when you want to manually record a deposit that has already settled into your bank account, so it's helpful to have your bank record open as a reference before you begin. That way, you can quickly confirm the amounts as you go and make sure everything matches correctly. Once you're inside Ownerrez, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where the main navigation menu is located. From that menu, click on Deposits. This will take you to the section where deposit activity is managed and where you can review or create deposit records. After the deposits page opens, click on Manually Record Deposit. This option allows you to create a deposit entry yourself rather than relying on an automated process. It's especially useful when you need to group together transactions that were deposited into your bank account as a single amount. On the manual deposit screen, you'll now need to select the specific transactions that correspond to the funds that settled into your bank account together. Take your time here and compare the available transactions in Ownerrez with the deposit shown by your bank. The goal is to choose only the items that belong to that exact deposit batch. If several payments were grouped together by your processor or bank, those are the ones you'll want to include in the single deposit record. As you select those transactions, pay close attention to the total. It's important to ensure that the combined amount of the selected items matches your bank record exactly. This step helps keep your accounting clean and prevents reconciliation issues later. Even a small difference can create confusion, so it's worth double checking before moving on. If the total doesn't match, pause and review the selected transactions to make sure nothing extra was included and nothing was missed. Once you've confirmed that the total in Ownerrez is identical to the amount shown in your bank account, go ahead and click Save. This records the deposit and finalizes the entry in the system, and that's it. You've successfully recorded a deposit in Ownerrez. The most important part of this process is making sure the transactions you select accurately reflect what actually hit your bank account. If you stay consistent with that, your records will remain organized and much easier to reconcile later.